Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore two methods to find the maximum value based on multiple criteria. We'll start by using a formula based on max and if functions, followed by leveraging VBA code for more complex scenarios. Let's explore each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll utilize a formula based on max and if functions to find the maximum value based on multiple criteria. This formula allows us to dynamically search for the maximum value that meets specific conditions within our dataset. Assuming that you want to find the maximum value of product Excel from the month of Jan in range A1, D5, you can use the following array formula based on the max function and the if function to find the max value based on multiple criteria. In a blank cell, enter the formula equals max. If A2, A5 equals Jan. If B2, B5 equals Excel, D2 laughing face 5. Instead of Jan and Excel, replace these criteria with your desired conditions. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to enter the formula as an array formula. The cell containing the formula will display the maximum value based on the specified criteria. Now, let's explore the second method, where we'll use VBA code to find the maximum value based on multiple criteria. This method provides more flexibility and control, especially for complex scenarios where formulas may not suffice. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, go to Insert and select Module to insert a new module. Copy and paste the following VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor window by clicking the Close button, X, or pressing Alt plus Q. This will return you to the Excel workbook. In a cell, enter the formula equals max if and if A2, A5, B2, B5, D2, D5, Jan, Excel. To use this function, you need to call it with 4 arguments: the ranges for criteria A, B, and D, as well as the specific values for criteria A and B. This function will then return the maximum value from range D that satisfies both criteria A and B. The cell containing the formula will display the maximum value based on the specified criteria. If you want to find the minimum value of the product Excel from the month of Jan in range A1, D5, you can use the following array formula based on the min function and the if function to find the min value based on the multiple criteria. Like this, equals min. If A2, A5 equals Jan. If B2, B5 equals Excel, D2 laughing face 5. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to find the maximum value based on multiple criteria in Excel, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.